Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by fixing scale and grid so measurements stay consistent. Pick 150 or 100 and set a baseline. Once done, lay a light orthogonal grid with 5-10 mm spacing to guide straight lines. You draw exterior walls first and annotate wall thickness. That prevents rework. Make sure to label north and a reference dimension. This helps later when you add rooms and doors, because every interior line depends on those initial, accurate anchors. You continue by plotting room outlines directly from measurements. Write length by width and reserve circulation lanes. Next, position doors and windows with clear door swings so you avoid clashes. Note clearances like 0, 8 m to 0, 9 m. Then add interior partitions and fixed elements, kitchen cabinets, bath fixtures, stairs. Once placed, dimension key walls and annotate floor finishes. These details ensure contractors. You finish by adding final dimensions, room labels, and scaled furniture to validate space. Make a legend and north arrow. Include an overall dimension strip so everything ties back to the baseline. Then check clearances and door swings and confirm continuous circulation paths. If something looks off, measure back to your initial baseline and grid. Most errors trace to a misscaled line or displaced wall. Fix that, then re-annotate and print a clean revision for handoff.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.